How you guys doing? My name is Jabari Smith. I'm a product specialist here at Acura, and today I'm going to show you guys how to charge your phone in your new vehicle. Alright you guys, so if you're looking on screen, you are now looking at our wireless charging pad. The wireless charging pad isn't in all of our trim levels, but if you do see this in your vehicle, it is in fact the wireless charging pad. When you're using the wireless charging pad, it's very simple, but just a bit of a discrepancy for the newer smartphones, whether that's Apple or Android. I know a lot of people get a little frustrated because sometimes their phone doesn't work right away and it doesn't start charging right away. That might be because either it's because of your case, or it might be because with the newer smartphones, they magnetize the backs of them, so it can be a little tricky sometimes. But give it a couple tries and it should be fine. Should be very simple. So you want to make sure your phone screen side is facing upward. You just put your phone gently down in here, try to put it as close to the middle as you can, and when you get that battery icon on your screen, that's when you know your phone is charging. Another indicator to know that your phone is charging is that you see this little light here. It was green before and now it's orange, meaning that your phone is charging on the wireless charging pad. So when your phone is done charging and it's at 100%, this little light will go back to green, and that's when you know your phone is fully charged and at 100%.